Hi, Baker's Travertine Power Clean. I'm out here in DC Ranch today giving a quote for this Travertine paver patio and what we can do to help beautify it and seal it and help some of the problem areas, which are these deep holes that are developing all over the place, very common in Travertine pavers. It rained last night, so this is kind of a muddy hole, but Travertine pavers very commonly have a lot of lime content, which is coming up more like a mud. When it's dry, it's more of a powdery substance, but when it gets wet, as it did last night, this stuff will turn corrosive and start to eat away and make these holes bigger. So that's one of the homeowners' concerns. We do have a very specialized service. So along with the proper finishing process and our specialized densifier, we can protect these patios so you can have a long life and really enjoy your outdoor surface. Give us a call to find out more.